Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using outdated calendars that just can't keep up with your busy life? Well, say hello to the Mezed 21.5-inch digital calendar. It's about to change the game. This smart calendar is not just a pretty face, it's packed with features that will make your life easier, like the touch screen and app dual control that lets you add family members and sync schedules with just one click. With the Mezed digital calendar, you can seamlessly switch between calendar and photo frame modes, and even sync photos and events via Wi-Fi, so you can stay connected and never miss a thing. The meal planning feature is a total game changer. You can preset daily or weekly menus, and even arrange special recipes for holidays and anniversaries, so you can save time and stress when it comes to meal time. But that's not all. This calendar also comes with smart reminders and auto-location weather detection, so you'll never miss an appointment, and the built-in 32 GB large storage holds plenty of your files and photos. Thousands of satisfied customers have already made the switch to the Mezed digital calendar, and it's well reviewed by people who love how easy it is to use and how much it helps them stay organized. Whether you're using it at home or in the office, this calendar is a total must-have. The large screen is crystal clear, and the touch screen is super responsive. You'll love how easy it is to navigate and use. The Mezed digital calendar is also wall and desk mountable, so you can place it wherever works best for you, and with its reliable service and 2-year warranty, you can trust that it will keep working for you day in and day out. So why settle for an old-fashioned calendar when you can have a smart, easy-to-use, and feature-packed digital calendar like the Mezed? It's the perfect solution for busy families and professionals who want to stay organized and on top of their schedules. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.